Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a pop-up card. Now the collection I'm using to decorate this card with is a digital download collection from the Crafty Witches called Snowy Day Friends. Now to start off with, you're going to need 3 pieces of card cutting. The first piece of card, this measures 15.5 centimeters by 22 centimeters. And then you need 2 strips, and these strips measure 3 centimeters by 24 centimeters. Now you're going to need the scoreboard. So on this, the larger piece of card, you're going to score it at 5 centimeters each side. And then the strips, you're going to score these first at 1 centimeter, then at 9 centimeters, 15 centimeters, and then 23 centimeters. So that leaves a centimetre on either side of the strip. I'll just get the scoreboard out of the way. So just fold all your score lines, and then the 2 strips just need attaching to the top and the bottom of the card. Now I have actually just put one together just so that it dries, it's dried while I'm going to decorate it. So that's how the pop-up card stands. Now it does fold flat and it will fit into an A5 envelope for posting out. So just put that on the side. I have cut all my mats and layers out. So first of all, I'm just going to decorate the back of the card. Now I've got 2 strips of a blue solid paper from the collection. Now these measure they measure 15 centimeters in length and then 4.5 centimeters in width. So I'm just going to add those to either side. And then just double check where the border is and get that correct. Good. And then the next one. Okay, and then this is a centerpiece, so I've got some of the solid colour and then also a white layer there just to write the message on. So the solid colour measures 15 centimeters by 11.5 centimeters, so the white measures 14.5 centimeters by 11 centimeters, and like I said, I'm just going to put that on the back there. Okay, so that's the back of the card done. Now for the front. Now this time I have 3 layers here. So the solid colour measures 15 centimeters by 11.5 centimeters, and then I've got a white layer measuring 14.5 centimeters by 11 centimeters, and then my pattern paper is just 5 centimeters down. So this one measures 14 centimeters by 10.5. I'm just trying to remember my numbers. Yes, that's correct. Maybe one day I'll actually just write them down and have them in front of me. So this is for the center layer. Right, now the reason why I made the card base up first is because where this attaches to the inside of the card, my next layer will actually cover that. So this is, I've done 2 of these for either side, so that you're looking at 15 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters, and then 14.5 centimeters by 4, and 14 centimeters by 3.5. Again, double check it. Yes. And these just going to attach on either side on the inside. Just make sure I'm happy with the position. Okay, so that's the inside of the card done. Now for the outside strips, I have 3 pieces of card. Again, this is one of these essential papers. So I have four strips here, and they measure 2.5 centimeters by 7.5 centimeters. Just move those up, and then I have 2 for the center, and these measure 2.5 centimeters by 5.5 centimeters. I haven't done any mats with these. Of course you can do that. I just decided I would leave these just as one layer. So just attach those in position. I just noticed the video actually looks like it's grey, but this is actually blue. Just turn that round and do the next. Oops. Those down. Maybe when I upload the video, the colours might actually look right, but like I said, this is actually a blue, the different shades of blue. But I'll add a finished picture of the card to the end. So there's the card base there. Now I'm going to actually cut one of the toppers out, and I'm going to sit that to the inside of my card, but I'm going to use foam pads. just take these off. Now if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll see that I do just add a bit of wet glue to my foam pads. It's just in case they dry out at all. So now I'm just going to attach this to the inside of my card. Okay. Birdhouse is a little bit wonky. Okay, so that's the inside. Now I do have some other bits here that I've just fussy cut out, and these are all from the collection, toppers, and these are some of the flowers. The paper, one of the papers has envelopes on them, and I've actually gone and enlarged that and cut a few of the envelopes out. I dropped one of my flowers on the floor. Okay, so now it is just a case of decorating. Just have a play around with where you'd like to put them. I mean, you could enlarge the snowmen and make them large enough to go up around the top there, but I've just kept them the same size as what they are when you print them out. So I was going to put those two there, and actually going to stick this little fella just behind those flowers there. Okay, and just going to attach those to the top. And if you want to keep it so it fits in the envelope, you may have to just drop that flower down there. There you go. Oops, got a bit of white left on there. I mean, if it overhangs a little bit, I think I could, can always put in a 7x10 envelope. So just going to attach the snowman to the side there. Stand that up a moment. Cool. As you see, that's what it will look like when it's stood up. So now I've just got to decide where to pop my sentiment. Right, I'm just going to use some foam pads. I'm just going to stick it on the inside to the bottom of the topper. Because you'll be able to actually see it when you're looking into the card. Okay, you can just see the sentiment there. And just put my glasses back on, and then a couple of the envelopes, and yeah, I'm just going to pop them down there. And I'm going to use some foam pads just for some dimension. I've just attached that one flat, and then I've got one little envelope here. Yeah, I'm just going to attach on the side of the card there. I just feel it just flows through then. I mean, if you like things to look the same, you can always go, cut another one out and pop one on the side there. So there is the pop-up card. So like I said, it folds flat and fits nicely into an envelope, and then when it's open, that's how the card looks when it's all fully open and stood up. And then on the back you have somewhere to write your message. So I hope you like the video, and I hope you give this card a go. Yeah, because you can do all sorts of design on this card with all sorts of different papers. It doesn't have to be Christmas, it can absolutely anything. And you could even hang things from the top there. So you could have some baubles from the top there, or some flags. Like I said, this card, you can use your imagination and just go wild on it. So I hope you like my video, and I hope you give this card a go. Okay, thank you. See you again soon. Bye.